Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi rasulillahi ajmain. Next, we give all praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Next, let me introduce my group. We form group 2. I'm Niken Ayu as a moderator. Next, Muhammad Farid Surya as a presenter. Next, Puji Dwi Putra as a presenter. Tiara Amanda Sakira as a presenter. And Widya Pitaloka as a presenter. For the start, the study talk about effectiveness of the tourism office decision-making on tourist development in Padang Beach, Old Town, and Mount Padang. Introduction. Decision-making is one of the most important things. In making a decision, there are several processes that must be carried out, such as determining the problem, the process of solving the problem, observing the problem, and collecting the problem solving. The action to determine a decision is needed in the entire plan. For example, the step of developing a plan requires a lot of decision-making activities during the development of the plan. The decision process in planning are directed towards the selection of a group of alternative design and the order in which they are priorities. For example, in deciding on a new program, the criteria considered are available fund, human resource, the relationship of the program to current condition, and how it will affect all aspects. Next, the slide is read by Farid. To Farid, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. According to Espesiagian, decision-making is a systematic approach to the alternative phase and taking action which, according to his calculation, is the most appropriate action. Based on the explanation from Espesiagian, decision-making is a structure and plan process to solve a problem where the process of decision-making involves problem identification, alternative analysis, alternative evaluation, making decision, and follow-up. Padang City has many pleasant tourist attractions, including natural tourism, water, culture, history, and many more. The area is an area with a tourist destination that is favored by visitors, namely visitors both local tourists and foreign tourists. The area is a lot about the historical heritage that is left behind, maintained, and the condition is still very good. Okay, next research method. This research is descriptive qualitative because this research reveals the fact that exist from the data collected and describe the event that occur. The data obtained directly from the result of interviews of direct observation to the research sheet and literature review directly related to the object of study drug library research, namely literature and information media related to the discussion. Thank you.
Thanks to Farid. Next slide is read by Widya Pitaloka. To Widya, time is yours.
Okay, thanks with Niken as moderator. Result and discussion. The Padang City Tourist Office is one of the agencies that has the take of carried our regional government in the field of tourists under the responsibility of the mayor of Padang. The tourist office has a role in developing and improving the implementation as an effort to improve the implementation of tourists. Is realizing this role, it is necessary to take strategic steps that must to taken for the sake of especially in the development of superior and potential tourist destination in Padang City. The leading tourist destination are Padang Beach, Old Town, and Gunung Padang. Next. Effectiveness in decision-making in tourist agencies is critical to activate the goal of sustainable and competition tourist sector development. Effective decision requires a systematic progress, starting with the collection of accurate data on tourist trend, traveler preference, and market condition. In deep analysis of this data enable the tourist office to identify opportunities and challenge appropriately. For the more active participation for various stakeholders, including the government, industry player, and local communities, need to be involved in the decision-making progress to assure to result policies and inclusive and comprehensive. The ask for information technology also play an important role in improving effectiveness. The example, top management information system that enable continuous monitoring and evaluation. Decision ought to be in the principles to transparency and accountability to build public trust. Okay, thank you.
Thanks to Widya. The next slide will be read by Puji Dwi Putra. To Puji, time is yours.
Thanks, moderator. Table 1, result of interviews with 3 interviews, code matrix. Next. From table 1 above, it can be seen that the tourist office said that the currently designated flagship tours, namely Padang Beach, Kota Tua, and Gunung Padang, are effective at tourist destination with a very high level of safety and comfort. Meanwhile, the first informant contradicts what was conveyed by the tourist office, which said the day's tourist destination were ineffective with a very high level on discomfort. This can be seen from the result of interview. The first informant explained that this tourist destination has a lot of illegal levies, so that this disrupt the comfort of tourists. Tourists feel uncomfortable because of the many legal levies, and also burgers will come on one after another. In addition, the beauty of tourist destination is disturbed due to the large number of street vendors who still not accordance with the place, so that is disrupt the aesthetic of exciting tours. Furthermore, other people agree with the tourist office that this tourist destination is effective as a superior tourist destination with its potential. However, the level of comfort is still lacking, where the tables show a very high number, so that tourists are lazy to visit tourist destinations that should be well managed. And table 2, correlation. Based on the table 2, it can be seen that this tourist destination is not comfortable to be visited by the community of tourists. Based of the result of interviews with the tourist office and the community, this can be caused by several factors such as illegal fees and the number of street vendors selling correctly. Sidewalks are no longer for pedestrians. The number of bookers will inside on being given money, illegal parking information that is less clear and accurate, and other so that it is cause this area to be unsafe for tourists. Here is picture of the word that is often spoken by informants. Back to moderator.
Thanks to Puji. Next conclusion will be read by Tiara Amanda Sakira. To Tiara, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for moderator. Next is conclusion. So, it can be concluded that the Padang City Tourism Office is one of the agencies that has the task of carrying out regional government in the field of tourism under the responsibility of the Mayor of Padang. The Tourism Office has a role in developing and improving the implementation as an effort to improve the implementation of tourism. Effectiveness in decision making at the Tourism Office is very important to achieve the goal of developing a sustainable and competitive tourism sector. Effective decision require a systematic process, starting with the collection of accurate data on tourism trends, traveler preference, and market condition. Based on table 1, it can be concluded that the Tourism Office determined that the current superior tourism is Padang Beach, Kota Tua, and Gunung Padang. These three tours are effective as tourist destination with a fairly high level of safety and comfort. Meanwhile, the first informant contradicted what was conveyed by the Tourism Office, which is said these tourist destinations were not effective with a fairly high level of discomfort. Meanwhile, other people agree with the tourist office that this tourist destination is effective as a leading tourist destination with its potential, but the level of comfort is still lacking. And in table 2, it can be concluded that the tourist destination of Padang Beach, Kota Tua, and Gunung Padang are not comfortable to be visited by the community or tourists because of illegal fees, the number of street vendors who sell carelessly, sidewalks are no longer for pedestrians, the number of buskers who insist on being given money, illegal parking, information that is less clear and accurate, and other, so that it causes this area to be unsafe for tourists. Okay, back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Tiara. That's all the presentation from group 2. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.